Judge, I'm not sure if she's been here before. Another attorney out there.
I started I've been trying to remember to turn it off.
All right, good morning, council's interested parties. We're on the record in the matter of the state of Georgia versus Cleef Adams et al. In 22 SC 183572. Mr. Stillwell, Mr. Botts, and Mr. Shard. Good morning, gentlemen. All right, Mr. Williams, Mr. Steele, Ms. Renard. Okay, good morning. All right, Mr. Kendrick and Mr. Weinstein, good morning. All right, Mr. Huey and Mr. Matthews Jr. and Senior, good morning. All right, Mr. Nichols and Mr. Lamar, actually Mr. Garner, I should say, good morning. All right, Mr. Ryan and Ms. D. Williams, good morning. All right, Ms. Hilton, Mr. Atkins, Ms. Love, and Mr. Brown, good morning. All right. Okay, Ms. Renard, who's that interloper sitting to your left? And why was I not told anything about other people in my courtroom, Mr. Steele?
Hey, good morning to you, sir. Your Honor.
Oh, don't be trying to get over that, man. You're already in hot water. So who do I have the pleasure of now being with you?
Your Honor, sitting next to Mr. Ryan and Ms. Renard is Haley Holtzwagner, Haltwanger. She is a second-year law student at Georgia State University. I've had the honor of working with Ms. Holtzwagner approximately 2 years. She's a fabulous lawyer, representing the next generation of lawyers, and with the court's permission, we would like her to sit at the table. Mr. Adams means no disrespect to the court or Mr. Williams or anyone. He is not going to be here today. He is actually in another court the week on a trial. So can never replace Mr. Adams. I'm not trying to do that, but with the court's permission, that is who is in your honor.
Okay, Mr. Williams, you okay with that? Okay, all right. Okay. All right, Mr. Bean outside?
Yes, sir.
He is, Your Honor. Before we get started, I'd just like to ask if the court would allow us an opportunity to look at some certifieds that Mr. Steele indicated he has. He indicated he would show us the certified. And the court came in right before he had an opportunity to do so. So before we bring Mr. Bean, could we just see a copy of the certified itself? He
Sure.
gave me a copy.
You all can look at those.
And Your Honor, would the court like for us to bring Mr. Bean in before I look at the certified?
No, once you accomplish that, and then we can bring Mr. Bean in. I just want to make sure he was here, that was all.
Okay. And is it? Thank you, Your Honor. We have been able to look at a copy of the actual certified copy of 14 SC 130460. And based on information that Mr. Steele shared with me just now, I don't want to speak prematurely, but it appears that he also has some indictments that he intends to use. And I moved in limine that the court preclude Mr. Steele from any attempts at impeachment or improperly introducing indictments that are not certified convictions of this witness or any other. Based on the information that he just gave me when I asked to see the certified copies of conviction, he has only given me one certified conviction for Adrian Bean, and that is for Fulton County Indictment 14 SC 130460.
Okay, so there's no argument about the certified, is that right?
Correct. There's
Okay,
no
all right.
argument about this.
And then what about the uncertified or do we, is that what you're asking me to,
Yes.
or to pose or weigh in on?
Yes, because I've just been told that Mr. Steele has copies of indictments. I don't know.
You have certified copies of those convictions, sir?
And good morning again. As I told the district attorney's office, they're certified copies of charges of an indictment, not convictions. I told the district attorney I was not planning on seeking to admit them now, but they may become ripe. What happened in two different cases, if you want to know, is Mr. Bean was charged, serious crimes, armed robbery. I may be a little off here, but armed robbery, trafficking, marijuana, something to that effect. And the cases were dead docketed. Under Ridley, which is RIDLEY versus state, it's 368 Georgia Appeal 481. Your Honor, that's 890 Southeast 2D 385. 2023 case.
Bless you. C, the conviction of